Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Sophie from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from. The sip. But would it be a Sophie Chanelle video without a hair flip? Huh? No. Did y'all see that? Oh no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. Hey sunshines, it's your stay-at-home mom, Sophie Chanelle, and I'm
back with another hair review.
Yes, I'm back with another hair review, guys, and I'm so excited to tell you guys all about this fabulous look by none other than Sensationnel. Yes, by Sensationnel. If you want to know how I got this look, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. See what I did to get her completely glueless, and yeah, tune in to the end of the video to get my final thoughts.
Boy, I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky that fly, but you are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days we gon' hook it up, probably talk on the phone, but see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it, but if I let you know, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. Are you responsible? Boy, I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I'm good at good. Right now I'm not. Say yes or say no, 'cause I really need somebody. Tell me if that's somebody. Won't you pick me up at the park right now, up the block, while everyone's sleeping? I'll be waiting there with my tricks, my looks, my hat, just so I'm low key. If you tell the world, oh boy, see I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you, but if I let this go,
doggy style.
Baby girl, I'm the man from the big VA. Won't you come play round my way? And listen to what I got to say. Them lane. Don't you know I am the man? Rock shows head to Japan. Have people shaking my hand. Baby girl, better known as Ali. Give me goosebumps and hot feet. Nigga play haters believe. Don't you know? Gotta tell somebody. 'Cause
you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. Sometimes I'm good at good. Right now I'm not. You can't tell nobody.
She's definitely giving early like 2000 J-Lo vibes. Like if J-Lo was like Latin American and African American, like that's the vibe she's giving me. Like
I'm still Sophie from the block.
Like that type of vibe. And we are back. Yes, we are back, guys. So if you've already watched the process, let's just go ahead, jump right into the rundown of this unit and give you my pros and cons. And so the length of this unit, she's giving me about a good like 22 inches at the longest length. So, you know, she's got length. The density of this unit, she's full. She's giving you lots of body. You know, she's coming through. And this color that I have, this is the Flamboyage Mocha. I had to just take a quick look at the stock card real quick just to be sure. So this is the Flamboyage Mocha in the style Adanna. I want to say a huge thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me over this unit to review. And this unit, it comes, this part of the Wet Lace collection from Sensationnel. This is the Illusion Hairline Lace Wig with a natural density. You will see that the front, the plucking, like the hairline was very well. The right and the left side were very dense. So keep that in mind. You may have to go in with a little pluckerization for that, the left and right side. I did go in and just pluck just a little bit from the center. What else? So this does say that it has the translucent Swiss lace for a seamless hairline and natural parting right out of the box, which was good. Like I said, I went in and customized just a little bit. This is the 13x6 ear to ear. And I will say, you know, I'm at a whopping 22.5-inch size head. And I feel like these ear tabs are fitting me just perfectly. So much so that it's like just the right fit, like it's the perfect fit. I'm not wearing this with any glue, so I'm wearing it completely glueless. And I felt in order to do that, I would have to do the center part because the sides are covered. But even with the sides uncovered, I still feel like she's given like flawless hairline style, you know. So I'm here for Adanna with that. The color, again, this is the Flamboyage Mocha. So you get, I feel like this is kind of like a number 4/27 in some areas. And then you get like this little hint, just a little subtle hint of like this blonde color, like peekaboo, you know, peekaboo like type color in there. And I really like that about this unit. I don't particularly like this color as a standalone color. But the peekaboo, I'm here for it. Because it's like, if you don't want to see too much of her, you know, just bring it all forth and tuck her back. And there you go. But then if you're feeling a little sultry, you brush her back and boom, there you go. So the texture of this unit, she's definitely yickety yickety yak. Yickety 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 yak. That's what I was trying to say.
Yickety, 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 yak.
So she's definitely giving you all of the kinky texture that you're looking for. If you're looking for a kinky texture, this is fresh, blown out. I can't even say silk press. I think typically when you start getting into lighter colors with natural textures, the hairs, the fibers tend to be a little bit more yak, if that makes sense. So the hair, the fiber is a little bit more kinky than I imagined the number 1 or number 2 color would be. So also keep that in mind when selecting your colors in this unit. I got this unit from Sam's Beauty. I will leave the links down below where you can also find the price of this unit on their website as well. I would say this is a very good beginner friendly unit if you're wearing her glueless. And if you're used to plucking, like I feel like I didn't have to really do a lot of work with this unit. So, and she's serving, like she's serving. So also, yeah, I would recommend this unit. I would give Miss Adanna, I would give her about an 8.5. I think with this unit, I did get some tangling because of that yucky texture. And I did get a lot of shedding with this unit, maybe because of my plucking, but I also feel like when I was running into some tangling in the back, I was losing strands with that as well. Overall, I'm not disappointed in this unit. I feel like she's a bop, she's a vibe, she's a look, like she's a whole look. You know what I'm saying? Like, we going to dinner tonight? Okay, I'll be ready. Like, she's giving that kind of vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like, grown and sexy. That's what Adanna came here for. And so I say run to the store. Go get her before she's sold out. You know what I'm saying? You need to have this one on, you know how like you have people's numbers like on speed dial? You need to have Adanna on speed dial. Like, you going out for a girls' night, date night. Okay, let me just pull her out real quick one time for the 1 2 1 2, and she will come through. Overall, you guys, that's all I have for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.